let it bang, bang.
Good morning, बंधुलोग. Do you guys remember this song? आपकी दुआ है प्यार हुआ, इश्क का मैं बीमार हुआ, गाता था बेकार हुआ, क्या करूं? Likewise, I'm grateful to each one of you. Not just because I'm making a video and you guys are watching, not for that, but every human being who's crossed my life or who's been part of my life. Thankful to you guys, grateful to you guys. A bit of part of every beautiful things has made me, and there's so much I've learned from many of you. I might not be able to tell you guys personally, but thank you so much. So yes, today is Wednesday. This week actually feels like holiday week because December month is full of holidays. So good noon to you guys. Morning, I didn't make a vlog because I was busy with some serious and important stuff which just came up so suddenly. I had to close my work and start them, handle them. Sorry. Calm down, baby. Baby, calm down. Oh my God. There's so much of energy pumped up this morning. Some very serious thing I had to handle early in the morning. Not for me, but for a friend. There is certain things happening in his life. So, hota rehta hai. So, morning ke batches, there is 8 a.m. ke batches and 11:30 batches. I had to say no for today. I had to skip today. And so, yeah, we'll compensate that on Saturday. So, and this Rajasthani folk one has come out well. I hope aapne mere previous video mein you would have seen the video. And yes, it has come out well. Plus, we have a workshop coming up this Saturday. And again, this performance is also on Saturday in Music Academy, this Rajasthani folk which I've been teaching. We'll see, it's kind of a drama. There is a performance in the middle of a drama. So, we'll see if I could go and watch that. Try our best, level best. And so, yeah, so yesterday night, this never happens with me, but I woke up like 5 to 6 times in midway. What happens is, as life goes on, my formula is very simple. AAK, accept, acknowledge and keep moving forward. But at times, बहुत सारी ऐसी memories होती है, बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें होती है, which you just merge it down, कि भाई okay, just forget it, ignore it. I handle it that way. So what happens is, for me, in my dreams, things which I'm trying to ignore or forget comes out. तो और उस टाइम पे क्या होता है पता है, अपने कॉन्शियस पे कंट्रोल नहीं होता है. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ आई एम गोइंग बैक टू द नाउ आई लिव अलोन, ओके, नाउ सडनली इफ आई गेट अ मेमोरी ऑफ मी बीइंग 10-year-old and I'm living with my mother, my father and my brother, and we are like a whole family. So my mind and my consciousness becomes of that 10-year-old. So that 10-year-old is not this strong or is not this sorted or this is not this clear in her head. So I get scared. I'm sure it happens with everyone. And then suddenly I wake up and it takes me another 5 minutes to come back to what I am. So ये nightmares तो होते रहते हैं. Imagine you're in your dreams you're with 4 people and suddenly you wake up all the way alone. 3 minutes ही लगते हैं मेरे को. Then I'm back to what I am. Okay, but in a way I'm happy. At least through those nightmares, at least through those dreams, these memories are coming out. Varna, if it is just dug up inside, one day it will come out like a big fire. So everything is good. So it's good, it's coming out in that way. ठीक है, no problem. I get scared. I get, me getting scared in the night because I turn into a 10-year-old or I turn into a 12-year-old or whatever version of me was during that period of time. So that's okay. I'm cool with that. So woke up that today this morning, and from many times I was little deviated away from my spiritual life, from my spiritual connection. होता है ना, जब आप नई चीज सीखते हो, नए में बहुत घुस जाते हो, and because of the whole mesmerization it creates, and then again थोड़ा distance आ जाता है, human nature. But to bring it out consistently, we need to understand the true meaning. So that what happened today. I got reconnected with the reason I got into Krishna consciousness, the reason I'm into spiritual life, the reason of me dealing all my problems, and the reason of everything being given to me when I actually require it. And thank you to Radha Krishna for bringing me back to this. And It's lovely. It's lovely. I don't know how many of you have been through this, but when you have the spiritual awakening, it's just not for saying, it is lovely. You get a whole new purpose of life. And all these issues, all these problems, these material issues, going through this, coming through this, ये सब बहुत छोटी छोटी लगती है. When you actually realize, when you actually get through your spiritual awakening. Okay, these are some deep thoughts. I just shared what was in my head this morning. And now it is 2 o'clock. I had rusk or toast, whatever you call, with tea early in the morning because I was damn hungry. And now I think we'll see, we'll go and check out what I'm going to have for lunch. Two important stuff for today. One is student of the month ka for 2 batches I am supposed to announce, which I haven't, that I have to do right away. And second is the final Sangeet which I'm doing now, it's done. So I have to calculate the payment, what I'm supposed to get from them. What I generally do is, my charges are on minute-wise basis, the duration of the song. So half, 50% payment I take it in advance and 50% when the choreography is done. So now the choreography is done and there are 2 days left for practice. So I have to sit down, calculate the duration of the song and then tell them that this is the pending amount you're supposed to pay. And I think they'll take them a day or 2 to clear that. So those are the 2 important stuff for today. And apart from that, today what else are we planning to do? 5 to 6 batch. I think mostly I have to start with a new song, and I guess same is with the 6 to 7 batch, and 6 to 7 batch and 7 to 8 batch. 5 to 6 is going to be Sangeet rehearsals, and 8 to 9 batch, I guess there is test. I don't know. No, there is no test, but I think I'm supposed to teach them a new song. Let's work on that. वो सब मेरा डायरी में लिखा हुआ है. On top of my head, I don't remember anything, to be very honest. I'm so focused on my present that I don't remember what is happening, what is what. Because yesterday one of the student had actually asked me, भाई आप Saturday कहाँ गए थे? I was on blank. Like मैं Instagram check करके बता दिया, vlog check करके बता दिया. Anyways, so let's go home and then we'll see how the day goes. I am hopeful you all are having a fantastic day. If not, सबर करो, अच्छे दिन आएंगे. सो अभी फिलहाल टाइम है मेडिटेशन का, बिकॉज आज आफ्टरनून में थोड़ा टाइम है तो हम आज करेंगे मेडिटेट. और क्या करने वाले हैं, 4 माला हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र की, 2 माला नौकार मंत्र की, 2 माला राधे राधे की और 2 माला ओम नमः शिवाय की. तो शुरू करते हैं. हरि बोल. सो अभी हम क्या करने वाले हैं, ये जो फाइनल संगीत है उसके जो सारे गाने, सारे जो भी परफॉर्मेंसेस है, यू कैन सी 10 परफॉर्मेंसेस है, उसकी ड्यूरेशन को कैलकुलेट करेंगे माइनस वट एवर द एडवांस पेमेंट इज, और क्लाइंट को बताएंगे क्या है पेंडिंग पेमेंट. तो स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर कौन है 2022 का? गेट अप समर, गेट अप. सब कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन बोलो और तालियां बजाओ. समर कितनी ट्रॉफी जीता? 10वां. ए तू जा रे. 1 मिनट कृषिव, 9 ट्रॉफीज जीता और 9 भी फर्स्ट प्लेस है, सेकंड प्लेस है? वेरी गुड. गिव अ बिग क्लैप फॉर हिम. हाँ क्या प्रत्यक्ष के लिए क्लैप करो. और ये मंथ का 2023 ईयर का आज से चालू हुआ है स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर. सो एवरीबडी बक अप, ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर दिस ईयर. ओके. After a very long time I'm having black coffee. I know it's not the time, रात के टाइम पे, बट क्या करें, हॉट बेवरेज पीने की आदत है. एंड ज्यादा भूख नहीं है तो थोड़े मखाने खा रहे हैं. फिर अगर भूख लगी तो खाखड़ा दही में चूर के खा लेंगे. So that's it for today, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Good night. Shabba khair. Love you. Bye bye.